Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys have all been doing well and staying safe out there. I wanted to go ahead and film some makeup for you guys today. I wanted to do something colorful and cheerful and bright and happy because, you know, just with everything that's going on. I've just been feeling a little bit down lately. I want to film more than I really am. I just can't bring myself up to do it. You know what I mean? So some days are better than others, honestly. That's just me personally speaking, but I hope you guys are all doing well and you're safe and you and your families are all okay. Let's just sit and play with some makeup. Majority of the products though are drugstore, which isn't really new on my channel, is it? And give it a thumbs up at the end if you did enjoy it. It would really help out my channel. And yeah, let's go ahead and now let's get into it. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so these are the e.l.f. Charcoal Hydrogel Under Eye Masks. I've used these before on my channel. They make my under eyes super moisturized. I am like peeling. I'm so freaking dry. I don't understand why. Actually, I do. I have limited my water intake, so I'm pretty sure that that's why. These might be a little bit distracting throughout the video. So if you guys have been watching on my videos, I have been obsessed with the MAC paint pot. This one is in the shade Painterly. I'm gonna take my Morphe E45 and just kind of dip in there all over my lid, kind of bringing it out. For eyeshadow, I do not have a new palette, but I am gonna stick with drugstore. And this is the Festival palette from Profusion Cosmetics. To set my base, I'm going in with this top shade over here in the corner. You can go in without, you know, setting it. I'm now gonna go into the shade right underneath there. This is the JS5 brush, and I'm gonna take some of that, and we're just gonna like put this in the crease. I do want to deepen the crease just a little bit more, so I'm going in right underneath it. This one's in the shade Likeable. Sigma E40 brush. Just kind of blending it outwards too. This is the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer. This one's in the shade Oatmeal. To pack this on, I'm going in, this is that Morphe brush. It does not have a number on it. So I'm gonna put this like all over the lid. Just all over the lid. So there is this shade here in the palette. This one's called Hipster. I feel like that's gonna be really, really pretty. This is the Morphe Jaclyn Hill, the JH51. And I'm not setting the base. I'm gonna pack it on. All right, that ain't bad. I'm really happy with that. So I've decided I am gonna do a wing. I was thinking I wasn't. Yeah, let's do it. Going in with my trusty, this is the Physicians Formula Eye Booster Eyeliner Pencil. This is the waterproof formula. Ooh, I am shaky today. For lashes, I think I'm gonna give these ones a go. I have not used these before. They're from ColourPop. It's their faux lashes in the shade, in the style Chic, kind of flare outs. So I'm gonna pop these on, I'll be right back. Okay, so change of plans. I am not a fan of these ColourPop lashes because they are really, really stiff. So they're super, super difficult, at least for me to work with. I literally had to cut off half of the lash. Like they are so long, so if you have big eyes, you might like these lashes. So I did try a different style. I stuck with ColourPop, but these ones are in the shade Mommy, or Mommy, however you want to say that. That's what I have on my eyes. I still had to trim off a lot. So I'm gonna go ahead and take these off. And also, I just always like to take my finger and kind of like press whatever's left in here. I'm going with my L.A Girl Pro Prep. This is more of like a smoothing primer. And then I'm gonna go in with my NYX Pore Filler, which is like gonna go right around like my nose area, because that's where it's pretty bad. Smooth this, kinda. Then I'm going with my NYX one, right like in here. I'm then going in with the Makeup Revolution. This is the Conceal and Define Full Coverage Foundation in the shade F10. Hey, I may have not done bad, guys. That's pretty close, right? Plus once we bronze up and everything. I'm gonna go in with my LA Girl. This is my Pro HD concealer in the shade Natural. Ooh, you know what I forgot? I have this new sponge. This was like one of the most things I was like excited to try. This is the e.l.f. Camo Concealer Sponge that I have to go wet real quick. Sponge. Okay, this is so soft. Oh my God. Okay, so this is a freaking marshmallow. Okay, that is crazy. So I'm gonna stick with what I know. This is the Milani Conceal and Perfect in medium beige. I am gonna set with my Laura Mercier setting powder, and the powder will help lighten. So I do have a lighter shade of this. I could mix some, to be honest with you. I'm gonna take this marshmallow and blend this out. This is the softest sponge I've ever used. I'm not kidding. Laura Mercier powder and, ooh, that's nice for powder to get right in that little crevice up here. I forgot how much I love that under eye powder. If you guys have not tried this sponge yet, oh, you're missing out. It is just like the perfect like teardrop shape, and it gets in there so good. So good. I'm going to use a combination of my Benefit Cabral in the shade 4.5, yeah. And then I'm also gonna use my LA Girl, this is the Shady Slim Eyebrow Pencil in Brunette. Brows are on. Now this I've used before, but it's been a minute, and I recently used it on my niece when she was over, and I'm like, why did I stop using this? So this is the Smashbox step-by-step contour stick. I'm not one to like go in and start drawing on my face. I'm always a little bit weary. I think this one's pretty creamy, but it's been a while since I used it, so I don't want to do that. So I'm just gonna put some on the back of my hand and just go in. What is this? This is a Luxie 512 small contouring brush. You know, I need a different brush. Let me go in with this one. This is this is like a Real Techniques brush. It has no name on it. I think it's just a contour brush maybe, but it's a little bit more denser than that Luxie one. So I'm gonna put some on the back of my hand here, and yeah, so I'm gonna go like that, but see how it just gives me like that little bit of light shadow, not kind of like rub so much to mess up my foundation. Look how pretty that looks. I'm not too particular about this because we are gonna go in and bronze my chin. I'm gonna take just a little bit more of the Laura Mercier powder, tiniest bit, just in the lid, and just kind of like set everything in place. For bronzer, I do have a new bronzing palette, which I'm excited about. It's from the brand Essence. I'm really starting to become a huge fan of Essence. This is what the palette looks like. It's Essence, it's matte bronzing powder palette. You can literally use this if you are like very fair, all the way up to deeper skin tones, because you have like these bottom shades. I'm gonna take my JH13 brush, and I think I'm gonna go with this one over here. Moment of truth. Okay, that's intense. Oh, is this a pretty shade with my self tanner? I have like such a breakout. Can you guys see that? Okay, let's try a different brush. I'm gonna go with the JH2 for the forehead, and I ain't gonna pick up that much this time because this is pigmented as all heck. This is wonderful. Blush from Wet n Wild in Pinch Me Pink. I'm gonna take my JH11 that I love for blush, and if I remember correctly, these are pigmented, so I just want like the smallest amount. See, just a little bit. Just a little bit. let's go ahead and finish the eyes. So I want to go ahead and try this. I think with what we got going on the eyes, it's going to be really, really pretty. It is a eyeliner from L.A Girl. It's their Shockwave Neon Eyeliner in the shade, here we go, Fresh. I want to put this in the waterline, and I think that's all I'm going to do. Like, I might buff a little bit of just like that transition shade that we did, just for a little something under there. So let's do that first. Let's buff in a little bit of this shade right here. Yeah, I do not. Some people look good with like nothing under their eye, but I ain't one of them. Ooh, I love this. That matches that shade perfectly. This I'm really excited about too. This is from NYX. It's their High Glass Illuminating Powder. I got the one Daytime Halo. I've seen it everywhere. I have some texture going on this side of my face, so I'm gonna try to stay away from that. Oh my God, people aren't kidding. That's nice. I know, okay, now I know what the hype's all about. A little bit highlighting my nose. So this is the Milani Make It Last Matte Finishing Setting Spray that I love so much. And let's go ahead and set. I'm feeling springy today. I'm gonna take this Milani Brow Tint Felt Tip Brow Pen in the shade Dark Brown, and I'm gonna make me a mole, okay? Don't tell anybody. I grew a mole overnight, folks. Tap on that a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and do my lower lashes, my Wet n Wild Mega Length Mascara. So I'm gonna take the tip of the brush and kind of like comb down, which is probably not even gonna pick up on camera, but okay, I think it is. This is just like a nice tip. Instead of taking the wand like this way, just take that tip and kind of like drag it down your lashes if you don't want to get it on your actual waterline, like if you have a color in here. Trying to do this so you guys can see. Now, hopefully you guys can see this. These are the eyes completed. Okay guys, so the last step is lips. And of course we're gonna have to do something a little bit on the neutral side just cause we're bright and cheerful on the eyes, you know what I mean? This is a Steve Laurent lip liner in Chic. I'm so shaky today. I'm gonna try just going in with the Kinky Nude from Ardell and see what happens here. So guys, this wraps up today's video. I hope you enjoyed, and let me know what your thoughts are down below. Stay safe out there, stay happy, stay positive, do what you can, spend time with loved ones because it's pretty much all we got right now. But other than that, I don't have anything else to say. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.